and the dragon lands a 21. Your AC is only 14, and that is a critical hit. Sorry, new guy, but your character is dead. Oh, well, sorry, that's just how the cookie crumbles here. You can always make a new character when the new campaign starts. Hey, what are you doing? What do you mean? What are you talking about? This is how we always play. He's just a new guy. Why'd you kill his character? What do you mean? This is what we've always been doing. What? He's a new guy. He has to learn. Yeah, you know what? I could probably do a better game than you. Come on, find it. Hello everybody, welcome to another video of yours truly, Wardy Live. Here's some advice on how to treat some of the new people at your table. So we all know not everyone is a master at Dungeons & Dragons. No one has all of the stats down. No one remembers all the rules, except for you pesky rule lawyers out there. We know that D&D can be an amazing place for us to all have fun and get together and just go on an adventure. However, the rules can feel a bit daunting. The stats and how to build your characters and how to level up can seem a bit treacherous to new players, and they don't feel like they have the confidence to go and pursue the game. So here are a few tips to help the new guy, new girl, new day, or new fae at your table feel at home. Step 1, help the new guy with their character sheet. The most obvious thing you can do to help them out and help them understand is by helping them roll their stats. If they're not so confident on how magic works, just easily explain to them and also help them understand all of the leveling up and how they are able to do subclasses and how they're able to multi-class, how they're able to use their abilities, and explain that it's not all based down to a single moment, that they're able to flesh out their characters as much as they want. For the DMs that want to give their players a chance, just smudge some of your rolls. Not everything has to be a critical hit. As long as it's not easy mode for the players, especially for the new people, they will enjoy it. Give them a tough challenge every now and again. Don't be overwhelming. Allow the players to feel the experience of what D&D is, and then throw them into the fire right when the boss comes in. Praise the new people for joining in. If they join in on the role play, if they take initiative on the actions, if they take initiative on investigation. I've read up on a lot of stories of DMs not appreciating the players because they derail their story, which is a bad thing for the DM. Also, you are a bad DM if you can't improvise and try to add a little twist to the destruction. Sorry, but that's just the truth. Make sure you always make your players feel like they're at home. Remember, you're just a narrator of the story and you help guide them, but don't be the person that makes the player feel like they're not welcome at the table. Because if you're the DM and you are able to make your player feel like they could take on the world in any campaign, even if the campaign isn't run by you, you have done your job. And you've just brought another player into the world that can cause either beautiful bliss as a paladin or an absolute chaos as a rogue.